Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to finish this lesson, that is lesson number 10, and this lesson is based on your HTML. So today we are going to learn three things actually. First is your how to insert image in your web pages. Okay, so we are going to learn the tag for inserting images and working with your hyperlinks. Okay, so hyperlinks in your HTML. So for that we are going to need two tags. One is your img, okay, that is to insert the image, and second is your a tag, that is also known as your anchor tag for inserting hyperlinks. So first I am going to explain this through this video, and in next video you will be seeing the example. So now the structure of your HTML with img tag. Okay. Now we all know, first we will be writing HTML, then we are going to write head, title of the document, then your slash title, slash head, then we are going to insert this body tag. So inside this body tag, what we are going to write? We are going to write img. Okay, this is your tag, and attributes are your src. This src attribute is your compulsory attribute. Okay, this src is compulsory attribute, आपको ये लेना ही है. Now is equals to वैल्यू क्या डालनी है इसमें? फाइल नेम with your complete path. ओके, द फाइल इमेज फाइल जो है आपकी, वो आपको पूरे कंप्लीट पाथ के साथ डालनी है. जैसे सपोज द इमेज इज इन डी ड्राइव, तो यू विल बी राइटिंग डी ड्राइव कोलन स्लैश देन योर फाइल नेम. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन एग्जाम्पल. देन alt, that is your alternate text. Suppose due to some reason, suppose image is not displayed, and at that time the text will be placed in the place of your image. So text in the place of image, that is your alternate text. Okay, and this text will be visible if your image is not visible, maybe due to the slow network or any other reason, maybe your file is missing, then the alternate text will be displayed. Okay, then width is your in pixels or in your percentage. You can write 200 or you can write 25%. Height, again you can write it in pixels or in percentage. Okay, percentage we can write 25%, 50%, 100% or whatever percentage. Okay, it can be more than 100% also. You can write image size is equals to 200%. So the image will be in double size. Then align. So three alignments are there for image: left, then your center and right. One important point about this img tag, that img is your empty tag, means it does not require closing tag. Only the opening tag is there, and the image will be inserted in your web page at the place where you have written this tag. Okay, so just revise that. What is that? img. What you have to write? src is equals to file name with the complete path. alt is equals to means alternate text. Text in the place of image. Width, height and align. So these are the attributes of img tag. Now you pause the video and note down these attributes. Okay, and then move on to the next one in your notebook. Now the second tag is your A tag. A tag is also anchor tag, and it is used to insert your hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink. Hyperlink means when you are going to click on the text, some other file will open. That is your hyperlink. So now how to open that hyperlink? So you have to use A tag. What you have to write? A, then href, that is hyper reference. H stands for your hyper and ref is your reference. So hyper reference is equals to फाइल नेम. अगर आपको कोई पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन खोलना है, यू कैन राइट file name with the complete extension. Okay, if you want to write some image, you want to open some image, so you can write image file name, okay, with the extension, or you can write any website address with the complete path. Like you are going to write www.google.com, so google.com will be open in your hyperlink. Okay, so you have to write href file name, then website address with the complete path, and text to be displayed for hyperlink. Now you have to, यहाँ tag close करने के बाद text to be displayed for hyperlink means this is the text for hyperlink. I am going to show you in example. And then /a. Now /a आया means it is your container tag. So the img is your empty tag and your a, that is your anchor tag, or for hyperlink tag it is your container tag. So you have to note down this syntax for a tag and then move on to the next. One more tag is given in the book, that is your Marquee tag. Okay, now what is that Marquee tag? Sometimes you have observed in websites that the text is moving in the website. Okay, some notice is there, so that notice is moving from left to right. Okay, or the notice is moving from your right to left or up to down. Okay, or down to up. So this can be done using your Marquee tool. Now the syntax is your Marquee behavior. Three behaviors are there: scroll, alternate, slide. Okay, three behaviors are there: scroll, alternate and the slide. Okay, scroll, alternate and slide. ये हम देखेंगे example के through कि what are that behavior. BG color means your background color of that text. Okay, then you have to write color code. Color code should be written in your hexadecimal code. कैसे start करते हैं हम? Hash, then your hexadecimal code, 6 digit hexadecimal code. Direction you have to write up, down, left or right, any one. Okay, up, down, left or right. ठीक है. Height of your Marquee text in pixels or percentage, width of your Marquee tag in your pixels or percentage. Then you have to write the text which you want to move. So moving text you have to write and then /Marquee. So this is your Marquee tag, and this completes our lesson number 10. In this lesson we have learned table tags, how to create tables, how to create list using your UL and OL, and then how to insert image, how to insert hyperlink, and how to insert your Marquee tag. Okay, moving text. So goodbye for now. I am going to give you example through my next video. Bye bye.